In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a buyer group in Mailerlite. We're going to keep this really simple and clear. So by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to set up a dedicated group in your Mailerlite account for your buyers. This is especially useful if you want to send targeted emails, special offers, or updates specifically to people who have already purchased from you. First, log into your Mailerlite account and look at the main navigation bar at the top of the screen. You'll see an option labeled Subscribers. Go ahead and click on that. This is where Mailerlite keeps all of your contacts, along with tools to organize and segment them. Once you're on the Subscribers page, you'll see several tabs or sections. Look for the one called Groups. Groups are Mailerlite's way of helping you organize your audience into meaningful categories, like buyers, leads, newsletter readers, or event attendees. Using groups makes it much easier to send the right message to the right people. Click on the Groups tab. On this page, you'll see any existing groups you've already created. To create a new one specifically for your customers, find the button that says Create Group. It's usually located near the top right of the screen. Click that button to start setting up your new group. A small window or panel will appear asking you to name your group. In the name field, type Buyers. Using a clear, simple name like this helps you and your team quickly recognize what the group is for when you're building campaigns or automations later on. You can always come back and rename it in the future if your strategy changes, but Buyers is a great starting point. After you've typed in the name, double-check that everything looks good, then click the Create button. Mailerlite will now add this new group to your account. You should see Buyers appear in your list of groups. At this point, your buyer group has been successfully created. From here, you can begin adding subscribers manually, importing a list, or connecting this group to your website forms, checkout pages, or automation workflows. That way, whenever someone makes a purchase, they can automatically be added to the buyers group and receive the right follow-up emails. And that's all there is to it. You've just created a buyer group in Mailerlite, setting the foundation for more targeted and effective email marketing.